Hi, I'm Bala Yogesh with the Investing News Network, and I'm here with our cannabis reporter Bryan and we're going to talk about the cannabis updates in the month of July. So, Bryan, what are big monthly updates in the cannabis sector for the month of July?
Well, Yogesh, it was another busy month for the cannabis space. Ontario's new premier, Doug Ford, announced that the province will drop the plan for a government monopoly of cannabis shops. Instead, they will open up the space for companies to own shops in the coveted Canadian market. The government will still oversee the distribution of the drug, but according to reports, they will back away from the owning of the stores.
With cannabis set to be legal in the next few months, would it have a big impact in Ontario?
Yeah, well, cannabis is set to go legal for recreational purposes on October 17, and with the date so close, experts have started to predict that the first few months of sales in Ontario could be in danger because of this shift. However, companies in this space are excited because of it, since they have now options for a retail place. Investors with exposure into the retail space are set to benefit as well.
Speaking of companies, were there any big market updates?
Yeah, one of the biggest updates this month was Canopy Growth getting in between the merger of Haiku and WeedMD. Canopy has offered a deal reported at $250 million for the acquisition of Haiku brands. Haiku is a company that has earned its reputation as a brand-focused and retail-focused cannabis company. And now Canopy has a direct entry line into the Ontario stores that we mentioned just now.
So, what does it mean for the WeedMD? Like, following the new deal, what does it mean for the WeedMD?
Well, WeedMD is getting a $10 million annulment fee, and their CEO, Keith Merker, has said that this drop from Haiku doesn't affect them long term. Their plans are fully funded, and even analyst Greg McLeish with Mackey Research Capital agrees with this vision. He sees upside in the company. He has given the company a buy rating in his latest research note, which was issued after the Haiku drop.
Right, I know BC has been pretty active in the cannabis space, so would you like to share a few updates on that?
Well, yeah, the biggest update from BC is that they have signed the initial list of 31 LPs to supply recreational cannabis product come legalization time. This is an initial section of the deal, so more companies were probably soon to come as well. The liquor distribution branch for the province signed 24 companies that are either public or have a relationship with a public venture, so investors can have exposure into those. For a full list of the initial producers and which ones are public and which ones are private, you can check out INN right now.
That is it from us for this month. Stay tuned for more monthly updates. You can also follow us on Twitter and LinkedIn. This is Bala Yogesh.
And I'm Bryan with the Investing News Network.
Stay tuned for more. Thank you.